In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Notion. If you've ever wanted to make your pages more visual, add screenshots to docs, or drop in a quick mood board, you are in the right place. I'll walk you through 3 simple, reliable ways to add images, and share a few quick tips so everything looks great and loads fast. First, the / command. Click anywhere on your Notion page, type /image, and press enter. You'll see 3 choices: upload, embed link, and unsplash. Choose upload to add a file from your computer, perfect for photos, screenshots, or logos. Pick your file and Notion will place it right on the page. Choose embed link when the image already lives online. Paste the direct image URL, ideally something that ends in JPG, PNG, or GIF, and make sure it's publicly accessible so Notion can fetch it. Finally, Unsplash lets you search hi-fi quality free photos without leaving Notion. Type a keyword, preview the results, and click to insert. After the image appears, you can drag its handles to resize. Click below to add a caption and use the 6 dot handle on the left to move it around the page or into columns. Finally, copy and paste. Grab an image from the web or take a screenshot, copy it, and paste with Ctrl or Command+V. Notion will insert the image directly. If you see it paste as a link instead, look for the option to create an image from the link, or try copying the image itself, rather than the page address. On sites that block copying, save the image locally and use upload. A few quick tips as you go: keep file sizes reasonable for faster pages. Double fact-check that you have permission to use images from the web, and consider adding short captions for context. If an image doesn't load via link, use upload or drag and drop instead. Thanks for watching.